Once there was a hungry monkey, who saw few overripe fruits just lying on the ground, out of which many of them were split open, as they have fallen from such height. Drawing monkey to new fruity smell, he started eating, and begins to experience some strange effects. His brain was relaxed and body was out of control. This naive monkey has stumbled into a process, which humans will use to create all alcoholic beverages. So, let's talk about the most alcohol-consuming countries in the world, and how to make alcohol, or more precisely red wine at home. And at last we will discuss about few effects of alcohol, in this new episode, of Stats to Analyze. Let's begin with the buzz race of countries with most alcohol consumption. First things first, let's define the axis to resolve any possible doubt. The very left side of the screen is reserved for the flag of the country. The name of the country is written just inside the bars. The color coding of the bars is done as per their continents, and the name of the continents are written just below the header. The year of the survey is written on the southeast corner of the screen, and all the data is in liters of pure alcohol, consumed by an individual annually. It should be noted that various sources give various information, but we try our best to feed you the finest and as accurate information as we can. It should also be noted that few countries were formed after the 1960. For example, Russia was founded in 1991, so in order to deal with this problem, we have divided the nation from 1960, according to their geography and population. We know that countries like Bulgaria, Serbia and Romania mostly drink their homemade alcohol, so we have also included that, with the help of local news and surveys. And, as of now, in 2020, the most alcohol-consuming countries in the world are Belarus, Moldova, and Lithuania. Now, let's talk about the process of making red wine. Take 3 kilograms of black grapes, rinse them with clean water, and then de-stem them. Then, put them in a beaker and crush them. Now, add 1.5 kilograms of sugar, and keep on meshing it, till the sugar dissolves in the crushed grapes. You can also add long pepper, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves, as per your taste. Then mix yeast in it. To start the fermentation process, cover the lid with a breathable cloth, and remember to stir the jar once in a while, for 12 consecutive days. Now it's time to filter it. You can use coffee filter, or any other medium. Keep it for 5 days. Again, congratulations, you have successfully made your red wine. Now, bottle your wine airtight and keep it in some dark spot. The main purpose of showing you the process is to make you understand that alcohol is nothing more but rotten juice, and it is damn easy to make. But if you are still looking for detailed instructions, then I will refer this blog. Now, let's move on to the benefits of alcohol, especially red wine. It is rich in antioxidants, which are responsible for keeping you healthy. It also lowers the bad cholesterol. It regulates blood sugar. It keeps your heart healthy, prevents unwanted clotting by keeping the blood vessels flexible, reduces the risk of cancer, helps treat common cold, keeps memory sharp, keeps you slim, reduces the risk of depression. The antibacterial nature of red wines has enabled it to treat stomach irritation and other digestive disorders. But the problem is, all these benefits can be obtained from these fruits and vegetables as well. Now, let's talk about the only drawback of alcohol. If you take more than the advised limit, which is 1 glass of red wine in a day, and that too, not consistently, then you can suffer from liver cirrhosis, stroke, cancer, and could eventually die a pitiful and shameful death. So, the question is, should you drink alcohol? Yes, you should, it's healthy. Now, another question is, should you really drink alcohol? No, unless you want to die a pitiful death.